of toner, out of essence, out of serum. Oh god, I better order products right now. Dude, I need to wait until the lockdown to order more products. What am I going to do?
If you are someone like me who keeps trying out new products every now and then but cannot order products because of the lockdown situation right now, I can totally feel you. But here the question is, what's the alternative? I wonder, what should I do now? Should I make my own DIY products? Yes, I could do that. If you wanna make your own DIY products, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So what are we waiting for? Let's get right into
Hey
it.
you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy. If you are still watching this video, that means like me, even you are simply intrigued by the concept of making your own DIY products. The lockdown is going on and we have a lot of time, right? So why not make use of this time and make our own DIY skincare products, right? So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you all how to make your own DIY rice toner, vitamin C serum and your essence. If you are following a K-beauty routine, you might already know what an essence is, but in case you do not follow a K-beauty routine or you simply do not know what an essence is, let me tell you what it is. An essence is a liquid that we use after our toner and before our serum to give us some additional layer of hydration. So the consistency of this liquid is somewhere between a toner and a serum. It's just supposed to be very good for hydration, guys. It's gonna rejuvenate your skin. So if you use an essence regularly, you know how important this step is in a Korean beauty routine. So this little liquid is like a magical potion which is gonna hydrate your skin and rejuvenate it, and it's gonna give you a very nice and glowing skin. It's gonna make your skin look a lot more clearer in just 1 week. So let's see how to make our own DIY products. But before that, if you are new to my channel or you simply haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Also feel free to leave your comments in the comment section below. And guys, if you enjoyed watching my video or you found anything helpful in this video, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and share my videos, guys. With that, let's get right into today's video.
To make the rice toner, take a vessel and add 1.5 cups of water to it using a measuring cup. Bring the water to a boil. Guys, I have seen a lot of people soak the rice in the water. You can do that as well, but the water does not absorb all of the nutrients, guys. So this isn't the best thing to do. I would suggest you follow this technique where you boil the water, as all the nutrients gets absorbed by the water, hence making the rice water full of nutrients. Guys, I have seen a lot of people wash the rice before they put it in the water. That is definitely not the right thing to do, as it loses all of the starch and all of the goodness present in it. I have added 1 cup of rice to it, guys. You can use any rice, preferably jasmine rice. Of course, if you don't have jasmine rice, you can use white rice as well. Even I have done the same thing here. Once the water comes to a boil, please switch it off. Now it's time to strain the rice. Once you're done with straining the rice, keep the rice water aside and let it cool down for 10 minutes. Also keep the rice, guys. You can use it to make a rice face pack, which I would be showing you all in my next video. After 10 minutes, add a teaspoon of glycerin and a vitamin E capsule to the rice water. Both of these ingredients will help preserve the rice water for at least a week or 2. Make sure to make a fresh batch every 2 weeks. To make the essence, we would need 1 ounce of aloe vera juice. I'm using a ready aloe vera juice here. If you do not have that, you can blend the flesh of aloe vera to make the juice. Remember, we need only 1 ounce. A container to mix it, some vitamin E capsules, tea tree oil, and a measuring cup. I'm gonna start by measuring 1 ounce of aloe vera juice in the measuring cup, and then I'm gonna put it in the mixing glass shot. After which I'm gonna take a vitamin E capsule and I'm gonna put it in the aloe vera juice. Also, don't forget to add a few drops of tea tree oil to the mixture. Now mix it really well. You can put the mixture in a glass bottle with a dropper. This has a longer shelf life, so you can store it in the refrigerator for a month, or you can keep it out as well. To make the vitamin C serum, you would need a tablespoon of glycerin, some rose water, a mixing container, vitamin C powder. If you don't have vitamin C powder, do not panic. You can also use orange peel powder or lemon peel powder. Now I'm gonna add roughly 4 teaspoons of rose water, to which I'm gonna be adding a teaspoon of orange peel powder. Now mix it really well. You can add more orange peel powder or more rose water according to the consistency you want. After you're done with that, make sure to add a big tablespoon of glycerin to it. Now mix it really well. You can store this for about a week. You can also add lemon juice to rose water instead of orange peel powder or lemon peel powder, but make sure to add a teaspoon of honey with it. And don't panic guys, it won't get sticky as there's more rose water and less amount of honey.
Guys, that is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful in any way, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Also make sure you like and share this video. Guys, please feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section below. So with that, it's a wrap for now guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Happy family time.